Omonjo muri Ndizi TV and onsia soberda chinga chine ngokwaria ne karondo jijaragire Chinsa Ikomi kya maroba jinga chingo kwaria ne SMS etu mangana mayeri ngoma ina to enta ko sangiruria ketegwe kabone no kubori kwa naira bana chinga kyawe cyabene uraya bwati uranya manyanga kyanyarika gwate kuruiria nyimo chesugusu amo nabosongo damanga enda to karkana sense etu ya Kenya anebone kraba Kenya baenda to kukwanda gatia bara abanya bagenda to kukwanira enkwana yakorkana tobo tukobo kera rero nene kraba nyimbo bakumajuguna mbachete oikase enyomba yoyo kabero muwasiri bwense ya Kenya sense medio bwendi bwime Fred Matiang'i barai nigo bagikire ngane iyo asena baro batero ne serikali tige komomochia oyo kabero muwasiri borendi bwime Dr. Fred Matiang'i amanga enda korkana sense ya Kenya ekarondoje US embassy anyarege kuru tero arat gose yanyarege koboli sistiteni osaba menyi bali bamyata sense ya Kenya kurwa sense ya America babe maiso anenekero Kenya gosereribuna nabera chuko saganwa tagekende yonzi yuo nanyareka ukwano no ambassador bwense ya America oliora sense yaito ya Kenya boigo morai bo simiro moja wani Kenya Raila Odinga nikobona ateruna abali bacholire inseyeri abuli ya simiro moja oikabachikoga ni kwegwa libaga yugo chikomoro murai bwense kerabate chikomoro raigobono nigaya kwana yekerara se county ya Mombasa kera konyorana na barai bo mobwasimiro moja usibali bacholire inseyeri abuli ya simiro moja wani Kenya Ryan sayunga na alienda tokorana imena isiko ya usiku lende na kwale ni asenjera ya bene karotori na Joshua Auta asensemeri yomonwe manyerelio ekarabigari nyanja amakwene kuna maliyone chibijago chira asenjera ya bene na njengo ya leta Brighton Makori. Tebantura njaga kurwa sensemo yejisemi hayanigago jamagega yegetaseni Ndizi TV komorekera umoroki wa Robert Mamanyi oyu okanetio bokonyi erigoso ase skuru ya Nyambali ibono nigabwa tomogoko magega y'omubunge obumachoge chaje Alpha Miruka goswagati na komobo konyi erikwene kiuna omwana oyu ngonyora ali chisemi asamatuko alebosio mubunge oyu nigobona mokonyire ekera mokonyi skuru visya mone binto binde biriara chikotumeka ase skuru ya Nyambali gati abayibose abayiboli bomwana oyu Robert Mamanyi nigoba kirembuya asina bateru na bono ndoto yo mwana obona biguchwikirana kujasa matuko alebosio
Samaria tangor ku Christine ke muntu nyambeje gwankwa kambi yamana singento nararira kaboko kwa manene omwisimo itarifa achire ko ngoyeri omwana amongirere school
erieta Robert Mamanyi osoro kuirana lingambia singento kuirana ande school kuirana lyo mheshimiwa Alpha so konyi
Biyamono Samaria tane Boniface anchira igonde mu secretary of CDF atwanyorete ujumbe kurwa se Ndizi TV igoro yo mwana oyo igamuna aetetamatemu kolende tachi konyora muntu okumokonya banye nabo konyembara ikiripoti ya office lakini gwetera enjira twanyorete report yega mweshimiwa kanyora ujumbe yega ototoma toenda tuyo mwana oyo iga akaru shopping nande nko muira tole school asome ndaje gukonya menka yabo abandi bali baroba bwate mechando bune yega tibakwebisa abeta keire baruka service bakwana egere imanyikane banye bakonyi boro nali bagukonya
nogo semerwe to bono mwana oyo naje gosoma ndinera chigoikirania ndoto ya yekerto goskabosio niga magombo no bwaba bwatete ekinyoro kya mwanya kundi subrogation ya mwamosioma ase ward ya Kitutu Central magega yomongina bwe myaka 50 omubero oyo nyare ko gotoka litiko lyaye gotigeire chingoma ao asomubere oye kolengana nabamenyi bensemeyo nigo bayichanire gekore ekyo asebate abuna mbanya korage kone buna ekyo kolengana no mugaka abonye gosira omongino oyo nene gatebero na omongino oye nigabereka gosira ase kakya tukata do aserero bacha konyora omubero oye ase Chinsiaga asensemo eyo
kinyore kene giaito no toibore ngibore irega nje ga nonka na manyia marieta ngo Francis Mwebi igo na tuanyorire ngane nabo kiro yo moto ichanite na abanyakenyero ba mwanya kundi ekiara ngane intu mwanya kundi ko rusoko chaito ngane ya nyako bakenyero gyeito intu ekenyero gyeito twamenyire na omorembe myaka emenge bone ngane na beto rusitia mariga omokoso monene ekiagera etwichana kuboke mambie ya mokonyora lingana neri lya twichaniri iga tole tochete ekiagera twachakero yo mokiara tole birere binene ekiagera korusoko chaito twachire koringori ngana ya nyako baneye ngane ye na intu twanyoriro botukorwa se abana be family ibagotebana omongino sireri kama tukaetire abere bono babere bakorigi bono nari bachako ogweta na bagweta sakunywa kunywera mochiore gasabe abekire mochinore kurumata sakunywera igo bana barenge gweta bakonya gweta ko morigi babere bakomorigi rende na nkaima amagachiete oikaba bamuomera na noari chinshiagama na muro chale gali sero shiagamali
Ensemo yaba musie korwase county ya Kisii ni gobono banyarire bakomoche serikali anene kubatikana ndagekorokeria nyarteke okorekana se uyukabeire osasenka uyukabeire muwasiri boborendi boime Dr. Freddy Matenkorengana baraboni go batebiru na Matiang'i niga korete mireme ya sense ya Kenya nande natakere kwegwa esko yaye.
And we are here today as Gusii leaders condemning the act that happened last night in the home of our interior former minister Matiang'i, who was attacked, and later the authorities disputed that they didn't send any police officers or any security to go there and do the attack. This one comes amidst the police who were taken away from Matiang'i, the security team that was scaled down. And we are worried as leaders, why is this happening? As Gusii, we are really perturbed by this incident, and we are here to say that we are not going to relent. We shall stand and remain vocal in defending our Kisii unity, and we ensure that our leader Matiang'i is respected, and then all authorities are there to ensure that he is respected.
Singenje yamangana bete obutuku bwa lero timanye tubuno mu Gusii amangana ayo nyaba basoa batagetigo chikoligi oyo kabero mu wasiri itu Matiang'i mbata eteko sobwoye abantu ubanga abantu be serikali no twigwete bona gamande bakanire ma tali serikali yarenge lakini no bosoku banyorire megentu bakolete nekebe lakini nche nari ko batebiga wokomacha ni gukuna Matiang'i wakunire endorero yo mu Gusii na ndanye gotete kumanya mu Gusii ningo kuna Matiang'i.
Boigo mo seneta bwe county ya Kisii region Mumaimonyo nera niga kwanire ngane yo asebona teru no botukibwa bene mbotakeri gokorwa eri kwene kinenge kerete amangana yo korekana sobotko bokera lero.
The information I getting because I'm in Mombasa with the Senate committee on budget, and the feeling I'm getting is that the information we are getting about what is happening to former CS Matiang'i is not very clear. My only request would be this. I want to plead with President William Ruto. Many people, including me, were not supporting him in the last elections. It was not personal. It was purely because of the local interest and because of the special interest that we take care of when we are elected as politicians. I would like to plead with the President to make sure that he does not encourage victimization and he doesn't push the people who were against him in the last elections, so that it looks, right now it looks like he's being vindictive, and right now it looks like he's against anybody, particularly the team which was on the other side. I'm actually making a very special plea that if Matiang'i broke the law, let the law take its course, let the law handle the matter, let him not get any special treatment, or positively or negatively. Let the process take its course to its logical conclusion. And I want to plead with the President that we recognize him as the symbol of unity for this country. I think, and I've said this before, we really pray, some of us, that he is able to forget and let bygones be bygones.
Boiga abamusie korwase kaunti ya Nyamira bakora wanomonogeri bwebunge yo Enoko Okero nere nigo banyari ba ukwanira mangana yo nyarika korekana senka yo kabero mu wasiri bo bolendi bweme Fred Matiangi asebano banyari bakoboria serikali nebyombe biri byo bolendi bweme otige gosori
gotebia abantu ba mintonga pole ase obochai bolitwaro kiugwetera ase omwana ominto Matiangi enchera atairi omorembe asa amatuka amaega makeiga etire Matiangi na urwa abasigari tugategerera tukaganya matuko makeiga botuko bogakitara iri abante bamusumbua bwakibwoye Matiangi no mosacha okoleira abakenye gasi oromo Kenya naende koro kigokorera Kenya gasi ase miaka yonsi abasoborai bunomo Gusii okoru Nyamira tuategereira amatuka yonsi eserikali njaro sigwe ya Kenya kwanza ebitali twabwate byonsi pie twamiorigwa ndoranyora getali kende omwana oito Matiangi tarachi gosaba gasienda ase serikali na batu mogetenka alera yengia lakini wansire goturubanigwa bunomo Gusii bunomo Nyamira twaimokire tokorani ebitende.
Dr. Matiangi is not an individual. He is an institution and he is an investment that we have as a Gusii community. So whoever is trying or whoever is behind that act, kindly keep off. Because Dr. Matiangi served the country to his best and he delivered, indeed he delivered. Actually, sisi tumekasirika na tukiambiwa si askari basi tunataka hao machambazi ambao walienda pale na kususha furugu pale.
Kero bono totigarete asiringaneri lia moyo kabero mo wasiri bwo borendi bweme Dr. Fred Matiangi asanyarete enkaya yanyarete ke otaruna banyanyimbo nigo bona bagwakiri bali bakumwegerera Matiangi banyarete baote abuna mparanya raichibo ikaboniga anekere serikali yanyarete ke gokana buna eron yatomede banyanyimbo goja sensemeyo korengana roboti rwabwatuku na Inspector General of Police Chabet Kome nigo bono muwakiri Danson Omari anyareka ote abuna una bakanire buna tari basigari bachieto mbara bachete ororo ikiagera nigo banyoreta abantu batalenge baya asingeyo.
Our client, the CS, former CS for Interior, summoned us with a distress call. We managed to assemble a team of over 200 lawyers. We went to his residence at Karen and found out strange-looking people after the CS. The people could not identify themselves in terms of their identification. The people could not identify themselves in terms of any uniform. The people could not identify the document called a search warrant or a warrant of arrest against the CS or breaking in order. These are the conditions the lawyers demanded, and nobody could show that. Today in the morning, we have seen the Inspector General has confirmed that none of his officers were present there. 3 questions. The whole night we have not slept. We have been at the CS's place. Why hasn't any police officer come to confirm what is happening with the CS? If indeed they were not police officers, why hasn't the police come to the scene of the crime?
Murai bwense Dr. William Ruto ni gobona nyarire ka ukwaniro bwa matobu yaga tiense ya Kenya mo neri ya Eritrea yani gagocha magaga yo murai bwense ya Eritrea isa iyasi afweki otarense ya Kenya
of our region to facilitate growth in trade and connectivity between our people and our business. We have agreed to abolish the requirement of visa permanently, effective today. In this regard, we have instructed our ministries of Interior to work on the modalities for the ratification of this directive. Given the commitment of my administration to deepen and strengthen our bilateral relations, I wish to confirm today that Kenya will open a diplomatic mission representation in Asmara, and I have consequently instructed the Ministry of Foreign Affairs to commence the process of operationalizing this directive immediately. Your Excellency, this will build into our desire as a region to create more connectivity, more networking, to enhance business, to enhance investment, to enhance trade.
Umurai wekia magio ODM Raila Amolo Odinga oyiboigore asoma bolibu asimiura moja wa Kenya nikabona agendete kusingirira kumochia serikali anenekera gote abone serikali nigendete kuruhusia Bakenya bango yebirengo biguru.
Kenyans now work for taxes. Tax now comprises close to half of the prices of goods our people buy. And I give an example. Today, if you pay 100 shillings for water, 70 shillings of that money is tax. Kenyans need justice on taxation front, and we're the only people to take up this battle. We must force an end to taxation policies that place heavier tax burden on the middle class and the extreme poor, while those to the administration easily avoid taxes and are reimbursed their proceeds through proceeds of crime. We must lead Kenyans to demand social and economic justice predicated on access to jobs, a fair minimum wage, a free education for all our children, in addition to abolition of punitive taxes. The country is crying for social programs.
Raila wanani gariko ya kwana yuase county ya Mombasa wahiga senseme yumurai wekia makiak waiba Kalonzo Musyoka niga mochiri umurai wense Dr. William Ruto anenekera yarokanebuna umurai wense nigatagete gukora ensemerie kwa miriri serikali anenekera kwaligania barai bali bachorete no mabwasi miura moja kwenda samagacho a State House anene litukure barekeranya onete n'ababunge bali bachorete gutera sekiama ya chupiri.
Now, William Ruto and his people did not have to cannibalize our majority. He could still have come and say, let's have a bipartisan approach. Joe Biden was there. This is a country we are in now. You cannot cannibalize democracy in this country. It will not happen. Not under Constitution 2010. Therefore, I just want to encourage us to be very strong and very focused. Very strong and very focused. I heard one day say that even if you are left 50 of you or 2 or 1, I think it's Junet who said even if it's 1, you are still the majority. This is the minority. But this is a team. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to encourage all of us tomorrow.
Umurai wabanga sebunge enene Kimani Ichung'wah boigoyore omobunge Kikuyu nikabana nyarire gakote abuna bali baenda tote abuna umurai gosoyo kaberu mo wasiri bolendi boime Fred Matiang'i abanyinyi bambache tororo banyare bagosoki kerie kwena kibuna abanyanyi mbabo mbache tororo.
Companies, their families, their friends from taxation, while other Kenyans were paying taxation. And today they may run scared, but we want to assure them, even as members of parliament, that we will stand to defend their rights. That nobody will harass them, but when the law catches up with you, you will have your day alone and with those who you abuse power with. Therefore, nobody should run scared. Nobody should try to evoke public sympathy. And we want to just advise them to be patient and to hold their horses. And also to advise them, if they're intent on acting out scripts and drama, the National Theatre right next to Nairobi University is still open. They could probably hire the place or get a few people there who can help them to direct the scripts and drama they want to act out.
No na raringa Chinsa Ikomi kone nyora kuragense ya bana mara wabana chiko nyora ya muna mange bina bali kibeito baende ko yaligania ende bachiko sansa marane kara chikoleto asoli na iforino sero kuragense ya bana mara waba toma jakubwatia Ndizi TV nero bwansumu sikwa kerambia mana bali baira libaga diabo koyorigeria mangana ya bali bali Kisii TV bayombare bali rigwetera sensemo ya online baby wa maja Emmanuel Onkendi Jacqueline Kerubo James Rosemary Olina Fancy Kelly na abange abumwanyaramo kwira libaga lino kurigeria mangana mayeje Chinsa Ikomi enero Ndizi TV bwansumu Gusii station ntangani na ndede na mbeyemo okorete remerubere asumunu bweke Gusii yorenga sensemeri ende eyomundu wemanyerero nigakoro kwa chosho Auta ekerabiga nyanja mene kibuna mali ogine chibi chago jira senjera ya bene nenjina ya reta sole Brighton Makori.